Welcome to another episode of Hardcat Feature Focus. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the Hardcat Business Intelligence Centre. So first of all, we need to log in to the Hardcat web interface by putting in our username and password. Depending on how your account has been set up, you can automatically be sent to the Hardcat Business Intelligence Centre or one of the other main areas of the system: list of assets, list of problems, list of work orders, or stock management. For this account, we're taken directly to the Business Intelligence Centre. The landing page for the Business Intelligence Centre, if you have the problem management enabled and work order management enabled, gives you a very brief overview of how many problems are open, broken down by priority, same for work orders, as well as the statuses of how many are open based around status and work orders. Problem statuses and work orders. That's just as an at-glance information. The other areas of our Hardcat Business Intelligence that you can access by simply hovering over Business Intelligence, we have access to reports, exports, and if using the Hardcat GIS functionality, a location setup. Well, first of all, have a look at our reports functionality. When we access the reports functionality, it will then show us on our left-hand side here what areas of the system that we're allowed to see based around our Hardcat license and also your Hardcat user security settings. So when we select the appropriate module, that then will show us the list of all fixed reports and all custom reports that the user is allowed to see based around their role. When the user decides they want to run one of these particular reports, they'll select the report and then on the right hand side choose the type of scope they want to run. They can either go all of Hardcat, use a predefined search if they're available within Hardcat, or they can create their own custom result by choosing custom result and selecting prepare custom data. This will allow us to then create a search result which we can then apply to our output. To close out of our custom defined results, we can press close and then go back to and choose either predefined or all. Again, if we want to run a predefined item, we can choose our predefined item and then click run the report. With the report run, it will present the report as a downloadable file as a PDF. Now, with our PDF presented, we can open up our file, and that file then shows us all the records that are associated to that saved search result. In this instance, we have 70 pages of asset information shown to us. With our report now run, we can go and run other reports within the assets area, or we can go and look at other areas to run reports from. Our default cost center reports, our depreciation set default reports, location reports, people reports, period values. This links into a depreciation set as defined by the user's role. The role specifies which set they run from. The user can't do a calculation from here. These reports will be based around the last calculation as per the period run within the depreciation set within the Hardcat system. We can run our problem reports, our fixed and custom, our product-based reports, stock-based reports, supplier-based reports, and our work order-based reports. Again, remembering, this list is going to be a combination of fixed reports and custom reports as specified within the user's role. The other area that you have access to within the business intelligence area will be exports, which is accessible via business intelligence, exports, or by selecting the exports radio button here at the top left screen. Again, within our exports, we have access to the different areas where we're allowed to either by license or by security method to create export definitions from. In this instance, we have assets, a depreciation index area, a depreciation set export definitions, and again, our depreciation set exports are based around the set defined based around the user's login. Our problem exports, stock exports, and work order exports. If we choose to do an export, again, we'd select the area, select the definition that we'd like to use, and then again, choose our scope, all of Hardcat, a predefined search, or creating a custom result. In this instance, I'll choose all of Hardcat and click Run Export. As we can see, that was quite fast. The export has been presented as a CSV file. We can now open up this CSV file and use the starter to do further analysis or create further management reports based around what has been presented via our web interface. Thank you for watching this episode of Hardcat Feature Focus, showcasing the Hardcat Business Intelligence Centre. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Hardcat support@hardcat.com, or sales@hardcat.com, or visit our website, www.hardcat.com.